Yeah, that's my nigga. Yeah, that's my nigga. I need somebody to pull a gat. He pulled the trigger. Yeah, he pulled the trigger. Don't think, go figure. And let me tell you, I'm a hero, but no action figure. No action figure. Let me tell you, I get with it. Yeah, super with it. The money, I go get it when I see it, even if the distance is far. And let me tell you, I'm far from a player. I'm a coach, like I said before. Yeah, I got that bomb and give you a sore throat. Sore throat, make you choke. Yeah, I bring your bitch, guaranteed to poke.
Yeah, that's my nigga. Yeah, that's my nigga. If I pass him the Joe, he break it down and crack the swisher. Got some bad bitches with us, and we turn them all to strippers. Man, I set that porno scene up. Yeah, I better make a picture. Yeah, chillin' with my nigga Fresh and my nigga Crash. Mono here, getting cash. Tell a bitch I'ma smash, then I dash, set up camp. If you talking about that beef from the east of the beast, so when it comes to a wonderful feast, falling out the beat, but fuck it, I'ma go back in it to win it. I run it like I'm sprinting the Olympics.
Got the blunt lit, homies just sit and we bring the bitch. Gonna guarantee to lick the dick, and you know she's gonna stick next to me, cause I'm a G from the C, from the ROSE, LBC, city of the seas. I'm a king, chillin' on my throne, bigger bitch, I'm a bone. Sitting on my throne, bring a bitch, I'm a bone. Not the rock, but I'm stone. And yeah, I'm 18, but my mind is more grown. Underage, but we sippin', but yeah, we sippin', but not alone. That's what I meant. I'm high, but I'm still gonna send the vicious lyrics. And let me tell you, yeah, come on, Batman, come and get it. I'ma hit the bleezy while you rip it.
Look, Bam Bam, that's the name. Come in and bring the pain. Dragging with that fire, cause I'm always spitting out that flame. Your bitch up on my dick, I get her going crazy, insane. She love how I put it in her mouth and bust it like a drink. Young Bam, that's the name. Bitches after money, cause that money comes first, and I'm never underpaid. Never been a dummy, got that money up in the safe. I don't need a bank, the shoe box is where I keep it placed. Doing what I do, you niggas should get a clue. Got your bitch sucking dick so much her face is getting blue. Yeah, you wearing out, nigga, like the bottom of my shoes. I don't give a fuck, middle finger up like papoose. Chillin' with my nigga Fresh, Mono Crash hit. We did the same shit last year.
Fresh is my name, and yeah, the hoes know they blow on the dick while I blow on the dro. I probably fucked one, but I'm gonna probably fuck more. And this is to my niggas Crash, Bam Bam, and Mono.